Welcome to my channel, World Talks Food Walks. Subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make prawns masala. It is very easy. We need prawns for that. It's 250 grams. I've cleaned it. I'll show you how to clean it as well. Usually you get the cleaned prawns in the market, but if you don't get, you learn to clean it yourself. Otherwise you will end up with stomach upset if you don't clean the prawns properly before cooking. Slit the prawn with the help of a knife. Gently slit it open. You need to remove the spine. I'll show you how it looks. So I'm gently cutting open the prawn. So this black part is the spine. You need to remove this. So I'm using knife to slightly pull it up and then use my hands to remove it. Now the prawn is cleaned. It's ready to cook. It already looks so delicious and so soft. So we also need 2 small onions or 1 cup of onions which are finely chopped. Half cup of tomato which are also finely chopped, which gives a nice consistency to your masala. 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We need only little, so I'm using the packet one. We also need the red chili powder, pepper powder, salt, dhania powder. Follow the measurements what I'm telling here to get the exact restaurant style prawns masala. Red chili powder half teaspoon, pepper powder half teaspoon, dhania powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon. So these are the only masalas you will need here, and coriander leaves for garnishing. Now let's see how to prepare it. Take a kadai. To that I will be adding 4 tablespoons of oil. In this spoon it's going to be 1 full spoon. Let the oil heat up. As soon as the oil heats up, we will be adding the ginger garlic paste. So that will be just 1/4 teaspoon of it. So here I'm just putting the oil first and then lighting up the stove. Add the ginger garlic paste. Very little I'm adding just for the flavor. Remember we have 250 grams of prawns, so accordingly we'll be adding. So toss it up a little bit. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone, add 1 cup of onions. It will not be more, trust me. Add 1 full cup of onions. Fry it a little bit. So to even frying of the onions, we will be adding the salt at this stage. So once the onions are done and golden, I'm going to add the tomato. You can follow my tip here. So fry all the masalas, the onion and the tomato until it becomes fully soft before adding the masalas, so that it combines well and gives you all the flavors. So I'm going to add the red chili powder here. Next I'm going to add the pepper powder, dhania powder, just a pinch of dhania powder or 1/4 teaspoon. Don't add more. Now I'm going to add the 250 grams of prawns which is cleaned. Just mix it up with the masala for few seconds before adding the water. It's nicely combining with the masala, the red chili powder, the pepper powder, and giving a nice fragrance. Toss it up for a minute so it doesn't catch the bottom. Try this at your home. in any special occasions or simply on a weekend, and let me know how did you like it. Also subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. I'm adding half a glass of water so that the prawns get cooked. Cook for just 4 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes is the ideal time. Do not cook more. So just leave it to cook. You can see the bubbles. I can already smell the fragrance here. The prawn masala is ready. I'm just adding a little bit of coriander leaf. So I'll show you how it looks once I plate it. You can also make it like a gravy, or also you can make it full dry. I'll be showing you both the versions. So one, I'm plating it as a gravy, which you can use for your dosas, or if you like it like a gravy. See how amazing it looks. Hope you will try this at your home as well. This is the drier version. So let me know if you like the gravy version or the more drier version.